night. Yes, my people, we are make a night stroll. You know the thing go. What's going on Church Avenue in the night time? Discount store closed. Guess everybody get them nice deals and gone home happy. Forward tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice building right here. Getting breezy. See the day weather nice. See the breeze? Over by the tree. Ah, feel the breeze and watch the trees. Yeah.
Maybe that's raining.
Store is closing. Yes, that is it. Need to charge up.
Not in her. 80.
Pharmacy close up, so you never get your pill them from earlier. I guess you have to just make some home remedy, you know, and just go and build them. You know, Monday morning, because, you know, say, them not open the pharmacy to save your grandfather on Sunday morning. Yo, rough. Night tour. Yeah. Night time amazing, I can drive in a bus lane. Try it in the daytime. Saying cheese. I get ticket, camera, flash. Yes, I see you, brother. Yes, yes. And the maga bike in the night, yeah. A bunch of city bike action, that's what to go on. Business, they make enough money. It's that encourage some people to even have bicycle, because they must say, yo, them not have a store, no bike, deal with no maintenance, just rent it. Hey, yo. Can't beat it, bro. Enjoying it, eh? Papa John's. I wonder who do the most sale for 1 month. Papa John's or Domino's. I don't think Papa John are messing Domino's. Who knows? I have to go Google it. Ah, chat G. When they chat GTP, yeah, we want it. Chat GP. War on the business right now. That's a very interesting thing. BMW sound crazy. See the lightning. You know, say it took a rain in a few minutes from now. Wow. Watch out for the delivery guy. Nobody deserves them fair share of the street, you know, the thing said.